friends, it's Lele. Today we're going to learn the dance moves to a very important song. It's called the Mr. Kai sharing song. Are you ready? Let's go!
It's time to share. It's time to share. We can make the world better if we're kind with each other. It's time to share. You're my friend and I care.
Okay, first we're going to start with our legs open like this. Amazing. Now, I want you to pretend you're holding a plate like this, like a waiter. Great job. So our first step is going to go like this. We go to the right, to the left, to the right. Did you do it? Amazing. Let's try that again. We go slow, slow, slow. Fantastic. Now from here, we're going to go quick, quick. Can we try that again? 5, 6, 7, 8. We go slow, 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 quick, quick. You guys are doing amazing. Let's try that one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go right, left, right. Great job, everyone. Now from here, we do another 3 slow movements. We go left, right, left. Did you do it? I knew you would. Shall we try it from the beginning? And 5, 6, 7, 8. We go slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, slow, slow. Well done! Give yourselves a big round of applause. I think we should try that one more time. Are you ready, everyone? Ready? Legs out. And 5, 6, 7, 8. We go slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, slow, slow. Amazing. Now from here, it gets a little tricky. We're gonna bring our right foot in. Our arms are going to cross over to touch our shoulders. Then we're gonna bring our right foot out and our hands are going to go to our shoulders like this. And then we're going to reach up to the sky. Should we try that? 5, 6, 7, 8. We go in, out, reach for the sky. One more time. Great job! Let's put that all on from the beginning. And 5, 6, 7, 8. We go slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, slow, slow. We go cross, open up. One more time. Cross, open up. Great job, everyone. That was amazing. I think we should try that one more time. And 5, 6, 7, 8. We go to the right, to the left, to the right, left, right, to the left, to the right, to the left. We go cross, open up, cross, open up. Great job. Give yourselves a big round of applause. Now from here, nice and easy, we're gonna put our hands on our hips and we're gonna nod our head twice. Can you show me your head nods? Well done, everyone. Then from here, we're going to present. Open our right arm, we're going to open our left arm, and we're going to open our right arm once more. At the same time, we're going to step with our right leg, step with our left leg, and step with our right leg. Did you do that? Great job! Give yourselves a big clap. Then from here, our last move, we're going to bring our right foot in. We're going to cross over to touch our shoulders. We're going to open, and then we're going to open our arms to the front. Beautiful, everyone. I think we should try it from the top without music, super duper slow. Are you ready? And 5, 6, 7, 8. We go slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, slow, slow. We go in, out, up. We repeat. In, out, up. We have 2 head nods. And then we present, present, present. We come in and reach forward. Good job, everyone. That was amazing. I think we should try it with music. What do you think? Great, let's do it. 5, 6, 7,
It's time to share.
slow,
It's time to share. We can make the world better if we're kind with each other. It's time to share. You're my friend and I care.
Well done, everyone. That was fantastic. But I think we can do it one last time. And this time, I want to see your beautiful smiles and all your energy. Are you ready? Let's go! 5, 6, 7,
It's time
8.
to share. It's time to share. We can make the world better if we're kind with each other. It's time to share. You're my friend and I care.
Great job, everyone. You did amazing. Don't forget to always share with your family and friends. I hope to see you again soon. Goodbye.